Hello everyone. Today let's talk a little bit about mending straps, what they are, why they are used, and how to tell if they're being installed correctly. My goal is to help make construction just a little easier to understand so that the average home buyer can be a little bit more informed. Let's get into it. Mending straps are used when an overcut is present on a top plate. Top plates usually are located at the top of a given room and carry the weight of the floor or attic above. An overcut happens when a top plate is drilled or notched more than 50%. This is when a mending strap is needed, measuring no less than 16 gauge in thickness. These are some examples of properly installed mending straps. As you can see, they're fully nailed. This is a nail plate, not a mending strap. It does not replace one. This is a metal connecting strap, sometimes confused as a mending strap. However, it is not the recommended thickness. It is not considered a mending strap. Lastly, this is a mending strap, but is installed too low on the top plate. It should be moved up and re-nailed. All right, thank you for watching. If you have any suggestions on what I should cover next, please comment below. God bless y'all, and I hope everyone stays informed. Thank you.